Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to download as JPG on Canva when you're using mobile devices. So in this video, I'm going to use an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android when you use the Canva app. And basically, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. It really helps me out. So let's get into it. I'm on the Canva app right here. I've got this project, I've been editing it, and now I'm just looking to actually download it. So if you want to actually export as .jpg, what you need to do is go up to the top right. It's the upwards pointing arrow, press in there, and then go to download. And Canva is going to automatically suggest that you use .png to save the file or export the file. But what you need to do is go in here and select JPG. And then once you've finalized, press the download purple button, and that's going to export the design as .jpg onto your mobile device, and you can find it in your camera roll. But if you want to actually confirm, again, you can press save image, and that's going to export a second version of the file. You can go into your Photos app, and we can actually see that two files have been downloaded, the exact same ones. They're both saved as .jpg. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks.